Hi, I'm Alexandra, an artist and experienced educator with my own bricks and mortar studio in Staffordshire, UK. I thought I'd introduce myself and explain what I'm doing here. So I started something called doodle prompts for people that attend my studio classes. They were looking for some inspo for ideas to doodle and draw at home. This one is New Beginnings, which I decided to use the idea of a wolf moon because it was the first super moon of the year. So I shaded the moon in with Ohuhu Honolulu alcohol markers. Quite new for me, I'm experimenting with a new media, layering pencil on top sometimes. I've then added pencil layers of soft earthy colours in marks to create texture. And then you can see now I've started to add some mid-dark tones to create contrast. Afterwards, I then went in with some details to highlight important areas that I really wanted to draw the eye to. Then I went back to the moon using some Ohuhu markers in darker shades to create some details and a little bit more depth to the moon, using pencil crayons on the top to highlight some details. I was happy with that, and here's how it turned out. Let me know what you think.